my God, Evan, I am so overwhelmed. It's like there's a new AI tool every single day.
I totally see your point, Becky. It can be a lot. But haven't you heard of Tulifi AI?
Oh, come on. Another one?
Relax. Tulifi AI is exactly what you need. See, one, it's a completely free AI platform. Two, it keeps you updated daily on the latest AI tools.
Today's tutorial is about creating a lip sync video with multiple characters, just like the one you saw. Before we get into the video though, just like Becky, I know a lot of you are overwhelmed with the number of AI tools that are out there, but you actually don't have to be, thanks to Tulifi AI. So Tulifi AI is a completely free AI tools directory with over 26,000 AI tools listed over there. Now, you don't even need to log in to make use of the platform. And the best part is that you get to see the number of free trial users for each of the tools listed. So this is the Tulifi AI platform, and as you can see, I'm not logged into any account. Now, on the left-hand side panel, you're going to see all the different categories that are featured. So right now we are on the writing and editing option. So under that, you're going to see all the available AI tools under that category. So let's go to the video and animation category. So you can see all these different AI tools in this specific category. Now, on the right-hand side, you'll see all the different subcategories in this category. Like I said, there are so many AI tools here, so it would be rather difficult to just use the category alone. Other than that, you can see the number of free trials or free credits under each tool. So for instance, this is Domo AI, and you can see you get free 25 credits. Now, this is Autodraft. You get 20 free credits. The same thing happens over and over again under each tool. Once you find a tool that you like, you can click on it for more information. In this case, let's go with Animate AI. So again, right here, you can see all the information concerning Animate AI. And if you happen to like the tool, then all you have to do again is just click on the link at the very top. And this is just going to redirect you directly to Animate AI. So the next time you want to find the perfect AI tool for your project, you don't have to spend hours scouring the internet for it. All you have to do is come over to Tulifi AI and search for the perfect fit. Now, if that sounds like something you'd want to check out, I've left all the necessary links in the description box below. Back to our video, let's start by going over to Dzine AI. So we'll get started by either going to New Project or choosing the lip sync option. So I'll just click on the lip sync option. At the end of the day, both of them will just land you to the same options. So once that page opens, this is what you're going to see. Now, you'll have an option to either create an image right here on the platform or to upload your own image or video for this. If you want to create your own image right here, you can go to the text to image option. So right here, you're going to choose the style that you want to go with. And once you've chosen the style, the next thing that you need to do is input your prompt. Then you can choose the rest of the settings, such as the aspect ratio. And once all that is set up, you'll be ready to hit the generate button to start generating your image. Now, since you already have an image, I'll just go to the lip sync option right here. So as you can see, I can upload an image with a face, or I can start from a video. So in this case, I'll just choose to start with a video. So we'll do for both. So let's start with the image, and I'm going to upload my image right here. So I'm going to choose this image of two friends sitting on a couch. So I want them to be having like a conversation. So once you've uploaded the image, you have to choose the faces that will be having the conversation. In this case, I'm going to choose both of them. So I'll select 1 and 2. It doesn't matter the order that you select them in. So once you've made a selection of the faces that you want to be having the conversation, then just go to the bottom and click on next. Once you do that, this new page is going to open up. So right here is where you're going to upload your voiceovers if you've already created them somewhere else, but you can also create one right here on the platform. So we're going to upload the appropriate voice for the appropriate character. As you can see, we have speaker A and speaker B. So in this case, I'll just go ahead and choose a voice for speaker A. So let's start with B, because the girl speaks first. So as you can see right here, you can go ahead and choose the text to speech option. And once you do that, the next thing that you have to do is input what you want your character to say. So right here in this box, you're going to input whatever it is that your character is going to be saying. And once again you do that, the next thing you have to do is choose the voice that you want to go with. As you can see right here, there are a couple of voices that you can choose from. So choose the voice that you like, and next you can adjust the speed of the speech. Once you do that, now you can hit generate and play audio. And once your audio has been generated, you'll have a chance to listen to it just to make sure that everything is perfect. So for instance, we have this one right here. So let's just have a listen to it.
Where have you been?
So if you like what has been generated, you can proceed with that. If you don't, you can always regenerate this. Since I already created my voiceovers in 11 Labs, I'll just go to the upload audio option. Then I'll just choose the file that I want to use. Once it's been uploaded, you can just listen to make sure you have the right file.
Oh my God, Evan, I am so overwhelmed. It's like there's a
So that's perfect. Now let's upload the second voiceover. Again, I'll go to the upload audio section. I'll choose my second file and then I'm going to upload it. So let me just confirm that this is the right file.
Oh my God, Evan, I am
So once you've confirmed that you have the right files, the next thing that you have to do is adjust so that each file is in the right section. So speaker B speaks first and then speaker A speaks. So I'll just go ahead and adjust this to make sure that each is in the right position. Then again, you're going to just play this to make sure that it's seamless. Once you've confirmed that everything is in the right position, the next thing that you have to do is just hit the confirm button and it's going to take you back to this page. So right here, you're going to confirm the mode that you want to go with. So in this case, there's normal and pro, but when you're using an image, as you can see, what we have is the pro option alone. So we'll just go with the pro. Again, you can see this one uses like 144 credits. So let's see how this one turns out. So once you have chosen the settings that you want, now you're ready to hit generate. So I'll just hit the generate button and let's see what we get with this. So this is going to take a couple of minutes. Now let's just fast forward to the part where we have the video ready. So here we are. Let's play the video. So as you can see right here, the characters have been animated so well. So it's not that they've just been lip synced, but the entire scene has been brought to life very well.
It's like there's a new AI tool every single day.
I totally see your point, Becky. It can be a lot. But haven't you heard of Tulifi AI?
So honestly, I think that was really well done. Now let's try with a video. So we are going to upload a face video. So this is the button that you're going to click. Again, I'm just going to use a video that I already created. So let's upload this one. So once it's up, the next thing that you have to do again is choose the faces of the characters that you want to be speaking, that you want to be having this conversation. So I'll choose this character and then this one again in no particular order. It doesn't matter. Then hit next. Once both have been uploaded, now you're going to see this window again. So as you can see, our video is around 6 seconds long. So that's how long our conversation is going to be. So again, I'm just going to use the upload audio button. I'm going to upload my very own audio file. So I'll upload for the first speaker and confirm that I have the right voice.
So, are you excited for this video?
Oh yeah, super excited.
So my audio file contains speech for both speakers. So in this case, I'll just readjust it. So I'm going to trim it out and then I'm going to upload it again and trim it so that each of the characters has their very own portion of the speech. So I'm going to adjust this just to make sure that each character has its own portion of the speech. So once you do this, again, make sure you play it to make sure that everything is seamless. So once your voiceovers are in order, the next thing that you have to do is go to the very top and you're going to click on the confirm button. So once you do this, again, you land on this page and again, you're going to choose the mode that you're going to use. So like we saw earlier, there's pro and there's normal. And for this, now that we have the video, you can see that the pro is not available. We can only use the normal. And again, notice that we are only having 12 credits used here. And earlier on for the image, we had 144. So you can see the disparity in that. Again, they don't have to animate anything for you here because it's already a video. So basically that explains why it's way cheaper. Now you can just go ahead and hit the generate button. And again, this is just going to cue your video. Just like we saw earlier, this is going to take a couple of minutes. So let's fast forward to the part where we already have our video, and here it is. Let's just play it and see the quality of the lip sync.
So, are you excited for this video?
Oh, yeah. Super excited.
So that was pretty decent, but I feel like when it comes to the lip syncing option, Dzine AI does a way better job when starting from an image. So that's how you can create lip sync for multiple characters in one go. Now, if you want to try this out for yourself, I have left all the necessary links in the description box below. So make sure to check it out. And if you have any questions or concerns about this, make sure you put them in the comment sections below. I'll be more than happy to get back to you on the same. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.
I'm upset that you didn't even think to tell me.
I told you I was swamped at work.